can see why you would, but wouldn't you tell me first? I spent a long time looking around at first. I can imagine you, every eye on you. Am I just stupid, or am I aware of you? If I could be a fly, watching you from the wall, I know the answer, I know the truth, for sure. If I could change the world and give me some extra time with you, it's always for you. But I could not live this fantasy. I was let down, wasn't up to me. I tried the best that I could. The more I wanted you, the more you pulled away. Something said to me it was a waste of my time. The more I close my eyes, the more you drift away. Thinking of all the hours I'm suffering from heart attack. I was so messed up, I wanted to fade to black. No matter how I tried, I saw